Multi-factor authentication MFA adds an extra layer of security to your Agiloft account. Follow these steps to enable MFA effectively. Step 1. Log into Agiloft. Access your Agiloft account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using an account with administrative privileges to enable MFA. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings by clicking on your profile icon on Name in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to proceed. Step 3. Access Security Settings. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable multi-factor authentication. Look for the MFA option within the security settings. Toggle the switch or check the box to enable MFA. You may be prompted to choose your preferred method of authentication, such as SMS or an authenticator app. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your MFA method, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This may involve entering a verification code sent to your phone or generated by your authenticator app. Once confirmed, make sure to save your changes. By following these steps, you can successfully enable multi-factor authentication on your Agiloft account, enhancing your security. Remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.